This dog hates the rain but likes to be with people, so it was a compromise. Decided, okay, I'll join him. You can't beat him, join him. Where did Sydney go? Let's go find her. Here she comes. Okay, Sydney, tell me something. You love the rain, right?
Yeah.
Are you crazy?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Good. That's how you know somebody is completely sane, when they admit they're crazy. Whoa, it's cold. What you doing? Okay, my phone's getting a little bit wet. That has me concerned. Okay, you can stay out here, but I'm going to stop the video. Oh. Here comes a man with some common sense. You look like a what, Sydney?
It's a trash bag.
Well, very good. Yes, that's exactly what it is. Yeah.
Keeps me dry. Except for my knees.
I'm gonna go put